Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're making something absolutely delicious, ciabatta bread. Ciabatta is a classic Italian bread known for its airy crumb, crispy crust, and unique, oblong shape. It's perfect for dipping in olive oil, tearing apart for sandwiches, or just enjoying on its own. And the best part? It's actually surprisingly easy to make at home. So today, I'm going to walk you through my foolproof ciabatta bread recipe. Ingredients: 2 2/3 cups, 350 g, bread flour. 1 cup, 240 milliliters, water, room temperature. 2 teaspoons salt. 1/2 teaspoon instant yeast. Instructions. 1. Make the dough. In a large bowl, combine the flour, water, salt, and yeast. Mix with a wooden spoon or your hands until a shaggy dough forms. Don't worry if the dough is very wet and sticky. That's normal. 2. Let the dough rise. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it rise at room temperature for 1 hour. The dough should double in size. 3. Stretch and fold. Gently turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface. Wet your hands to prevent sticking, and then gently stretch the dough into a rectangle. Fold the dough in thirds, like a business letter. Turn the dough 90 degrees, and then repeat the stretching and folding process. Do this 2 more times. 4. Second rise. Shape the dough into a loose ball and place it back in the bowl, seam side down. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it rise for another 30 minutes. 5. Preheat the oven. While the dough is rising, preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius. You can also preheat a baking stone or cast iron skillet if you have one. 6. Baking. Gently turn the dough out onto a lightly floured baking sheet or preheated baking stone, cast iron skillet. Spray the dough with a little water and then bake for 20-25 minutes, or until golden brown. 7. Cool and serve. Let the bread cool for at least 30 minutes before slicing and serving. Tips. For a chewier crust, you can bake the bread with a pan of ice cubes on the bottom rack of your oven. The steam will create a nice crust. You can also add herbs or other flavors to your ciabatta dough. Try sprinkling in some rosemary, thyme, or olives. Ciabatta bread is best enjoyed fresh, but you can store it in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 days. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you enjoy this delicious ciabatta bread recipe. If you give it a try, be sure to let me know how it turns out in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes.